How's it going, YouTube? It's me, the Cool Loser, and today's video is going to be on the best apps of the week right off Google Play. So let's do it to it. And as always, the best live wallpaper of the week is called 500 Fire Paper. I love it so much. Whenever I get my hands on my friends' phones, I always install this wallpaper secretly, and I can change it with tapping with 3 fingers. Nothing happens with 2, nothing with 1 until 3 fingers goes. You'll be able to choose tons of categories in here. You can choose the update frequency, so you know what to do. Okay, on to the next app. Here we have 9 cards. In this application, we have a launcher type for all our apps, and they're categorized tools, productivity, communications, games. If you have on-screen buttons, you can just drag up and go to your Google Now section. But if you want to press always, it'll always go to the 9 cards instead of giving you these 2 options. So you know, we can be in any application and go right to it. On the right side of the screen, any application, we can have our drag down, so we can go to communications and it'll be brought up through there. And you could also zoom out and go to tools and zoom out. Real nice looking. You can add your own subfolders. If you go into the themes, go to the new, and you see you got more top, apply this theme, click on it, and that's what you get. Very useful and convenient application. Go try it out for yourself. Here next we have Superware. It's a widget. Looks really cool, like those Android watches gonna come out pretty soon. And whenever I get a message, these will pop up. Now I left them on there so you can see what kind of stuff it's gonna be. We can change the layouts. You can move them all around with this Super widget that's super popular now, and there's lots of people working on add-ons to this application. Whenever I get a notification for any of my social networks or missed calls, text messages, I'll see the little icons right here. I can click on the Hangouts and it goes right to it. I can click on my Twitter and it goes right to my Twitter. You get the point. There's lots of it. You can tap in the middle and you'll get into customizing more of the tweaks in here. You want to go into Superware and you got these choices here. Definitely check out the description for Superware. It's pretty cool, so go try it out for yourself. Here next we have front back. Front back is to use the back of your camera and the front of your camera. So you get to post 2 kinds of pictures in one post. 8 likes already, and I can go into the next people that I follow. You get the whole point so far, I think. So how do we do it? Let's just go right into it. As you see right here, we got my little Android guy in the corner. Tap on this, and then the camera will switch to the front. So I do it like that. If I don't like any of these, I can tap and redo. So I'm just gonna keep it as that and press forward. So obviously you want to check on these, whichever you want to send to, and just go to post. And there you go. Pretty cool. You got lots of people to explore and follow. You get how great it is. You go to notifications. Awesome. Go try it out for yourself. Here next we have Drive Photo Upload. This application will be great for people who want to store their photos all over the cloud. Pretty much all you got here, other than go to the settings. So if you want to upload all existing right now to go on your Google Drive, then you can. But I'm just going to show you very quickly. Now I'll take a picture right here. We'll see we got the photos. And up here, automatically it says camera file uploaded to Drive. Every picture I take is being uploaded automatically into the camera upload. These are the photos that I just took. I'll take a picture outside my window. Here's the photo. And up here, it's also saying image is being uploaded. We got the photo right here, along with the other ones. Here next we have Relay. Those of you guys who love to try new messaging apps, get a load of this one. You can go to the Explore and find all kinds of GIFs here. GIFs, I don't know what you guys want to call them. Everyone calls it differently. I always want to say GIFs. But you will see tons of them here. Welcome to the Relay. It says I'm awesome. I sent that and they're like, what? And then I'm like, SMH. Just testing this app out, brah, don't trip. And these are real life people replying to you. Now you click on this plus sign and you will see that we can put the Monday, and we see we can favorite this one to your collection. But you can go to Relay, which means it's gonna send it, and it's sent and delivered and say live recording. And then we'll reply, connect to your Facebook. Oh, there it is. Click onto it, and then they replied with that. So go try it out for yourself. Here next we have Interpreter, which is going to translate your English or whatever your first language is into a second language. Pick your language and what do you want to translate it to. So we'll pick Swedish. How are you doing? Hi, how's it going? Why are you not working? What the? I guess it's not going to work. I can't show you. I'm sorry, this is what I had. It was translating lively what I was just saying, but it's not working all of a sudden. And it was very, very accurate. But it's not working today. Maybe you want to come back and check it out later. Sorry, I couldn't get it to work. Here next, we have call recorder. Now, I've reviewed a couple of these. Some of them don't work on other people's phones. Some people don't know how to use it. All you gotta do is basically enable call recording, choose the file format. That's all you gotta do. So let's go into the call. So I'm calling. You see, phone call is being recorded. If you put it on speaker, it's got to listen to you lively. And as soon as you stop, it's going to stop the recording. Go back into it. And you see that's the recording I just made. So when you press play, but until you put it in speakers is when it's louder. So it records you louder and the person calling you louder.
I was wondering if, I'm trying to register the car on Washington right now.
As you see, that's how quick it is. If you need it, you really know what to do. Go do it to it. Next up, we have buttons. I said buttons right. I usually say buttons. Developer said, check this out. And I actually checked it out because I listened to every email, every comment, everything I get. Even though I don't reply half the time, I still read and I try to like help out as much as I can. So you see, you got lots of sounds for any situations that you're in. Like maybe you're hanging out with a friend and then you're like, oops, then you're like, and just mess around instead of having to make your own sound effects. You already got it. And lots to go through. They're in order, so see myself doing lots of funny things with these. Go check it out. And last but not least, we have alarm clock. This application is to wake you up with a radio alarm clock, so you can choose what radio frequency you would like to tune into. So if you got Fox FM and you got a little tiny little tab there, you can actually enter the name of the radio place that you want to listen to. I mean, this is a long list of radio stations that you can just keep traveling through. Some don't play and some take a little bit to load. So you can be waking up to this as your alarm. Go into the countries and go into more categories and knowing what you want to go through only. And you see that's where it's going to be playing, so you can play the radio. So you can be waking up to this type of music. Set your alarm here. Repeat weekly, which is going to be which ones you would like. And hopefully he updates and make it a lot better than what it is right now. But at least it works. So you already know what to do. Go do it to it. And there you guys have it. These were the best apps of the week right off Google Play. Brought to you by me, the cool loser who is behind this camera. Thank you for joining. My camera's about to die, so I had to hurry up. Hope you liked them. Alright, until next time, I will see you guys later.